Best review of Redragon Draconic K530 mechanical keyboard brand on Work Rift. Work Rift. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Redragon is one such brand that has recently made ripples in the industry. The dimensions are quite a bit narrower than your regular keyboard due to the removal of some dedicated keys. Its dimensions are 291.7 by 101.7 by 36 mm. It isn't particularly hefty, weighing about 0.8 kg. Its construction, in fact, feels rather substantial. It has a lot of sturdiness about it. The usual function row, as well as the arrow keys aligned with the WASD keys, become available as a result of this. Backlit keys are also available on the Redragon Draconic K530 mechanical keyboard brand. These LED lights include 16.8 million RGB color options, all of which can be customized using the Draconic program. When the keyboard is in use, you may rest assured that it will not move around on the desk or table. Even more rubber is shown when these are opened in a standing position. As a result, your grasp will not suffer as a result. Overall, the design and construction are excellent. A separate USB Type-C cable is included in the package and connects to the unit's side. The Redragon K530 Draconic can pair with 3 devices thanks to Bluetooth 5.0 capability. If you've already paired devices using those options, it will pair automatically so you can keep using them. In terms of portable gaming, the Redragon Draconic K530 mechanical keyboard brand has a lot to offer whether you're using a laptop or a smartphone.